The installations module allows us to calculate the application price of a single element, starting with the equipment cost and the adding of various other expenses like accessories, transport, etc. To activate the installations editor, simply select the Show View Details button from the Price List Editor view, and from the vertical data bar select Installations. With the Installations Editor, you can calculate from the starting price of a given material the ending application price. The Installations module also has a specific section in General Data. To access it, simply select the General Data tab, Modules, and then Installations. You can then indicate general data for the producer, default values such as for transport, overheads, company profits, etc., and the hourly cost of labor. We can also select the formula to be used and other calculation criteria. These settings will obviously apply by default to all the elements that are analyzed with the Installations module. Returning to the Installations Editor view, just select the material and then select the price. Indicate a percentage of accessory costs for transport. In fact, the value set in the Relating General Data section is displayed, which you can either accept or, in this case, decide to change. We can also indicate the hours of labor and hourly cost. This is obviously retrieved from the general data, as seen before, as well as overheads and company profits. As you enter the values and percentages, the program dynamically calculates these fields. For each material, you can also indicate the company identifier code, the discount set, brand, model, and 5 bands of discounts or markups which define rounding, quality label, and certification. The calculated application price can then be saved in one of 5 prices. Let's select Price 1 and click the Save button. So materials calculated with the Installations module are now automatically assigned with a yellow marker.